actually used to be really, really quick, but now the field has gotten a lot faster. But one of its first races, it was T-boned really hard. And in doing so, the car was significantly bent, but over the years, or actually for the immediate repair, they got it unbent, and over the years they've worked it out. But what we didn't know, what no one knew, what no one could know, is that for a decade, in between some of those sandwich panels, for 10 years, a piece of bent metal has been slowly sawing its way through the main wiring harness.